If you're holding XRP, you're probably wondering if you're in trouble, okay? Because right now, the price it's going down a little bit, and you might be sitting there freaking out, and I wanted to show you something crazy because I believe we're at a turning point for XRP, and things are about to change. If you guys have been following me on my Instagram, I've been posting about the XRP bottom for a couple months now, and we have bottomed, right? If you're looking at this chart right now, we have not really gone down any more than, what was this, in February, and we're actually looking pretty solid for a next move up. Now, as you guys know, last week, I dropped my app Market Mirror. Now, you can get it on the App Store and Android at this time. But inside this app, I go over a couple things I believe are absolutely next level for your trading strategy. Now, this is the level strategy inside the app. It shows you exactly where the current price is sitting and also levels the XRP is going to react off of coming up here soon. And right now, as you can see, 135 has been a major area for XRP. And if you scroll up a little bit, you'll also see the XRP has visited this almost 30 times in the last 90 days and has a 65% bounce rate, which looks pretty accurate. If you look at this right now on the charts, we've come down and we've touched this 135 area and we've went up a couple times now, which indicates to me as a trader that this is strong support. Now, what's going on in the world? Well, we got two viruses. We got the hantavirus, we got fucking Ebola, we got the Iran war. There's a lot of factors going against us, but you swipe all that away and just think about the price for a second. This is a bottom. Not only that, if you scroll up to the liquidation map, most of the money is sitting to the upside still, so I've been talking about that for a long time. Like, we could dump technically, but there's just no money there. There's hundreds of billions of dollars sitting to the upside, and what we always do in crypto is we chase liquidity. So at $1.35, if you really think that you're gonna get like a sub-dollar entry, that's just not gonna happen in my opinion. But what we could see is us push this critical level right here, 170. I'm telling you, and I've been saying it for a long time on the Instagram, 170 is the spot to be paying attention to. That's the biggest level that we've had in the last, I don't know, at least a year of trading XRP. It has been the deciding move, and if we can break above 170, I think that we're gonna be entering the promised land of the $2, and then eventually we're gonna go to the $3s. But what needs to happen for that to actually go through? Well, if you come over to the Trump indicator, we have some other stuff that we need to talk about. There's been a lot of bullshit, okay? The approval ratings, you guys already know about all that shit, but it mainly comes down to tariffs and the Iran war. And so far, that's not ending. We keep getting like deadlines of, oh, it's gonna end in like 2 or 3 weeks. But until that is fully settled, which I don't know, I mean, I'm hoping it's settled soon, I think they're cooked, right? I think that everything is just gonna kind of sit in limbo. Not only that, we have the Clarity Act, which just passed, I think is going to the Senate now, and that's where we saw a little bit of a pump last week. Whenever the Clarity Act is fully passed, I really do believe that's going to send crypto skyrocketing. It seems like a lot of money is sitting there waiting just for some clarity, and that's my 2 cents on that. Other than that, in the last 30 days, the whales have been buying. There's been a shit ton of activity in terms of leverage trading, and honestly, the bulls and bears, they're just fighting back and forth, which in return is leaving us chopping. But that is my analysis on the market right now. I really am bullish, and I still do believe that we're going to see all-time highs. I know that's a very unpopular opinion right now. Most people do think that everything's over. But again, where were you motherfuckers when Joe Biden was president? Just wondering, because that shit was absolute dog shit, and I was the only one that was telling you guys, hey, things aren't looking good right now. We're going to go down, and everybody was just the complete opposite. So yeah, like I said, 2021 part 2. That's exactly what we're going through right now, and we should be at the tail end of this. So let me know, are you bullish or bearish? Are you buying or selling? I would love to know, and as always, if you want to see everything that we have to offer, go on Market Mirror right now, download it, it's free. The most cracked trading tool that you're going to use. And if you want to stay up to date with everything, be on the Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video.